Next category of chemical reaction is on the basis of heat. Next category is basis of the heat. On the basis of heat, chemical reactions are divided into two parts, exothermic and endothermic. There are two types of chemical reactions on the basis of heat. Those are exothermic reactions and endothermic reactions. Now, the word exothermic. This word is made up of further two words that are exo plus thermic. The word exo means exit and thermic means thermal or heat. Exo means exit and thermic means thermal or heat. Means exothermic reactions are those reactions which are taking place by removal of heat or by evolution of heat. For example, carbon plus oxygen. When carbon burns in the presence of oxygen, it produces carbon dioxide along with a lot amount of heat. As heat or energy is released during this reaction, therefore this is an example of exothermic reaction. Generally, all the combination reaction, they are categorized as exothermic reaction. Similarly, the digestion of food in our body, it is an example of exothermic reaction, as the digestion of food provides energy to our body. Next type is endothermic reaction. The word endothermic is also made up of two words that are endo and thermic. The word endo represents here absorption and thermic means again heat or energy. It means endothermic reactions are those reactions which are taking place by absorption of heat. For example, breaking of calcium carbonate. When we want to break calcium carbonate, we provide a lot amount of heat so that it breaks down into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. As breaking of calcium carbonate is taking place by absorption of heat, therefore it is an example of endothermic reaction. Generally, all the decomposition reactions are categorized as endothermic reaction. Similarly, breakdown of zinc carbonate into zinc oxide and carbon dioxide. It is also an example of endothermic reaction. Means all the endothermic reactions are also decomposition reaction. As for dissociation or for decomposing, we need a large amount of heat, and all the combination reaction, generally they are categorized as exothermic reaction. This is all about the types of chemical reactions.